Everyone, so this is Vandana Singh, and today's topic is nutrition in animals. So let's begin the topic. Different modes of feeding habits. The different animals, सब एनिमल्स के डिफरेंट मोड्स होते हैं, जैसे ह्यूमंस के होते हैं. फीडिंग हैबिट्स जो हेल्प करता है उन्हें अपना फूड लेने में, सच एज फॉर एग्जांपल अमोबिया की पिक्चर ये रही नीचे. इन अमोबिया के पास एक स्पेशल फीट होती है, उस फीट का नाम है सूडोपोडिया. ये रही सूडोपोडिया की स्पेलिंग, एंड डोंट डू मिस्टेक इन एग्जाम फॉर द स्पेलिंग्स. जो अमोबिया को फूड को प्रिपेयर करने में हेल्प करता है. बी, लिजर्ड, फ्रॉग, कमीलियन, ऐसे एनिमल्स, उन्हें उनकी जो टंग होती है वो उन्हें हेल्प करती है अपना फूड लेने में. जैसे ये एक फ्लाई है और ये एक फ्रॉग की टंग है, एकदम से वो इसके मुंह में से ऐसे जाएगी. ये रही पिक्चर. शिकारी पक्षी, बर्ड्स ऑफ प्रे लाइक ईगल्स हैव शार्प क्लॉज. उनके पास एकदम शार्प क्लॉज होते हैं और एकदम कर्व बीक्स. शार्प क्लॉज उन्हें अपने प्रे को पकड़ने में हेल्प करते हैं, और बीक उन्हें अपने प्रे को एकदम फाड़ने में और चबाने में वो हेल्प करती है. डी, बटरफ्लाइज, मॉस्कीटोज, ये सब लिक्विड फूड पे डिपेंड करते हैं, जैसे नेक्टर, बटरफ्लाई का नेक्टर और मॉस्कीटो का ब्लड. जो हाउस फ्लाइज आपके घर में घूमती रहती होंगी, आपको दिखती होंगी, वो भी पहले अपना जो लिक्विड फूड होता है उनका, वो अपने लिक्विड फूड को पहले लिक्विफाई करती हैं और फिर उनके ऊपर सलाइवा रख देती है, ताकि इन सब ऑर्गेनिजम्स के पास एक स्पेशल चीज़ होती है और वो उन्हें सक करने में भी हेल्प करता है. उसे बोलते हैं प्रोबोसिक्स. ये रही प्रोबोसिक्स की स्पेलिंग. और हाइड्रा की पिक्चर ये रही. हाइड्रा अपनी एक स्पेशलाइज स्टिंग होती है. स्टिंग मतलब कि जैसे मधुमक्खी का डंक, वो अपनी स्पेशल स्टिंग कॉल्ड सिनोडॉक्टाइज, सॉरी अगर मैंने सही से नहीं बोला, ये रहा सिनोडॉक्टाइज, जो उन्हें अपनी सीक्रेटेड एकदम निशाना लगाने में हेल्प करता है. जैसे बी एकदम निशाने से हमारे हाथ पे ऐसे मारती है, वैसी हाइड्रा अपनी सिनोडॉक्टाइज को ऐसे निशाना में हेल्प करता है. जैसी आपके वो सिनोडॉक्टाइज लग जाएगा, आप पैरालाइज्ड हो जाओगे और उसका कैविटी आपकी बॉडी में फैल सकता है. वो बहुत डेंजरस चीज़ है. स्नेल्स तो आपने बहुत बार देखे भी होंगे, लाइक मानसून सीजन्स, बारिश के मौसम में उनकी जो माउथ होता है वो उनके अपने अंडरसाइड होती है, अपने सर के नीचे होती है, और उसके अंदर बहुत टाइनी बहुत छोटे टीथ होते हैं, जो एक रोज़ में जैसे हमारे टीथ ऐसे रोज़ में रहते हैं. और एक पतली सी रिबन टाइप टंग होती है उनकी, रेड्यूला. और स्नेल्स वैसे भी एकदम ख़राब डिकेइंग प्लांट्स पे डिपेंड करते हैं. जी, जो स्टारफिश होती है आपने देखी होगी, वो बहुत सुंदर मानी जाती है, एकदम स्टार के जैसे. वो एकदम पानी के नीचे एकदम नीचे की तरफ चिपकी रहती है. जैसी उस पर एक म्यूजल्स होते हैं, म्यूजल्स उस पर आ जाते हैं, गिर जाते हैं ऐसे, एकदम से वो अपने हाथों से उसे पकड़ लेती है और अपने माउथ में ले जाकर डाइजेस्ट कर लेती है उस म्यूजल की सॉफ्ट बॉडी. ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, देयर आर वेरियस स्टेप्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन सच एज ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and aggregation. So इन्हें शॉर्ट में करने के लिए यहाँ पे मैंने एक फॉर्मूला लिख दिया है, इसे देख लीजिए, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. DA2A2E। इसका मतलब ingestion, digestion, assimilation, absorption and aggression. So just imagine, just pretend this is food. This is food. Okay, this marker is your food and this is your mouth. The taking in of the food is called ingestion. So ingestion is done now. Digestion. Digestion is the breakdown of the various complex nutrients present in the ingested food into simpler and soluble substances is called digestion. मतलब कि जैसे आपने फूड आपकी ईसोफेगस में ऐसे नीचे 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 गया, आपके स्टमक में आ गया, वो और नीचे चला गया, उसे बोलते हैं डाइजेशन. Absorption. Absorption is the process of absorbing the digested food in the body to reach in the blood. Means जैसे आपका जो ये फूड है वो नीचे की तरफ चला गया आपके स्टमक में से नीचे, वो हेल्प करता है आपका जो एब्जॉर्बिंग फूड हो जाता है, एकदम पिलपिला सा हो जाता है फूड आपका, वरना वैसे ही थिक थोड़ी ना रहेगा, एकदम पिलपिला सा फूड आपकी एब्जॉर्प्शन, वो आपका पिलपिला फूड आपके ब्लड में रीच करने में हेल्प करता है. अब है ये सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट और मेन पॉइंट, असिमुलेशन. असिमुलेशन हेल्प करता है, वो एक यूटिलाइजेशन है जो आपके एब्जॉर्ब फूड मटेरियल्स को एकदम हेल्प करता है आपके ग्रोथ में कन्वर्ट करने में, आपके रिप्रोडक्शन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए, या फिर रिपेयर करता है आपके लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स को. जैसे अगर आपको फीवर है तो ये असिमुलेशन आपकी हेल्प करता है आपका फीवर रिपेयर करने के लिए. इट इज सम काइंड ऑफ अ कारपेंटर. एगेशन, द लास्ट टॉपिक, आई मीन द लास्ट पॉइंट. एगेशन हेल्प करता है आपके जो आपकी बॉडी में जो फालतू का खाना बच गया है वो आपकी बॉडी में से रिमूव करता है, इसे बोलते हैं एगेशन. न्यूट्रिशन इन अमोबिया. अमोबिया को थोड़ा डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. आप सोच रहे हो कि अमोबिया एक एनिमल है जाना पहचाना सा, बट नो. अमोबिया की फोटो ये रही सेकेंड टाइम. सो अमोबिया एक स्पेशल, आई मीन एक ऑर्गेनिज्म है जो आप अपनी नेकेड आइज से नहीं देख सकते. सपोज करो ये पॉन्ड है, इसके अंदर बहुत सारे अमोबियाज, बहुत सारे जर्म्स हो सकते हैं. अमोबिया के पास तो माउथ भी नहीं होता है, फिर भी वो डाइजेस्ट कर लेता है फूड को, ईट कर लेता है फूड को. तो अब जानिए इस वीडियो में, आगे देखते रहिए. So this thing is called pseudopodia. You can see here this not the red structure. Pseudopodia, here is the spelling, and let's get down here. And this is the food we call this food, red structure, and this is the food particle. So let's get down. This part was the and this part is the aggation. The food is being removed because it was not necessary, faltu, and it will help in growth, like these things. So let's move to the next point, digestion in human beings. Nutrition in human beings. In human beings, our hands help in the process of the digestion into the mouth, called ingestion. I told you earlier also. Further, the digestion of ingested food is carried by the digestive system. Digestive system consists by the mouth, esophagus, stomach, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine and large intestine, and don't forget the liver. So these all help us to of the digestion of the food. The part of digestive system from esophagus to the anus is called alimentary canal. Now I will teach you from the book. The mouth. I know you can't see this. Mouth. The process of digestion starts inside the mouth. It is called the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity. It contains different types of teeth, like teeth help in chewing the food and break into smaller pieces. Like जब आप लोग अपने फूड को च्यू करते हो, आपका फूड एकदम छोटा होता जाता है, कट हो जाता है एकदम. This process is called mastification. Mastication. In human teeth, mastication वो है जब आपके दांत च्यू करते हैं हेल्प करने में, इसे बोलते हैं mastication. In human, teeth grow twice in their lifespan. Twice means two. Twice in their lifespan. The first, temporary teeth. Temporary teeth is a child like 5 to 6 year olds have temporary teeth. Months till 2 years. Children start losing their temporary teeth by the age of 6 to 8. This is the picture of temporary teeth. Wait a second, I will show you. So this is the set of the temporary teeth, and wait a second. These are called the upper teeth, and this down part is called, this lower part is called the lower teeth. Permanent teeth. Permanent teeth is when milk teeth falls out of one by one, new teeth appear and remain for the whole life, are called permanent teeth. There are 32 in number, 16 in each jaw. 4 types of teeth present in our mouth are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors are the teeth. They are present in front. These are the incisors. Wait a second, I will show you a picture of incisors. Part, these front teeth, E. This is called incisors. Our next topic is canines. One canine tooth is present on either side of incisor in each jaw. Thus, 4 canines are present in mouth, 2 in each jaw. These teeth help in chewing the food. Like if you eat a chapati, the canine will help you by chewing the food and cutting the food. Tearing. Our next topic is premolars. Next 2 teeth on each side of jaw are premolars. There are 8 in numbers. They help in grinding the food. They help in grinding the food like this. Here. They help in grinding the food. Our next topic is molars. These are situated in the innermost area of both the jaw. They are 12 in number, 6 in each jaw, and help to chew and grind the food. Our molars help in chewing the food and grinding the food again. Our next topic is care of teeth. If you will not care the teeth by brushing and cleaning them after each meal, gradually teeth become yellowish due to accumulation of some sticky film containing food particles mixed with saliva. This is called plaque. The surgery food material present in plaque is converted into acids by some bacteria generally present in the mouth and do not harm us. The acid so formed damages the enamel, causing tooth decay and leads to the formation of cavity, which causes severe pain. Therefore, one should clean the teeth will brush twice a day. Means like अगर आप अपने दांत ब्रश नहीं करोगे तभी हमारे एडल्ट्स बोलते हैं brush your teeth. If we do not brush our teeth, our teeth will become yellowish like this yellow. and due to the accumulation of some sticky film containing food particles. See this. If you eat a lot of candy, three layers in the teeth called enamel, dentine and pulp. In this picture you can see this thing is called plaque. This is slowly occurring in your teeth like a cavity. That's why everyone say brush your teeth and do not eat too much candy. This slowly goes and harms your teeth and the tooth, and of course the tooth will fall off. So take care of your teeth. Our next topic is tongue. The tongue, it is flat, muscular organ attached to the back from the floor of the buccal cavity. It is an important organ because it performs the following functions. It helps to mix saliva with food. It helps to find out the taste of food. It helps in swallowing the food. It is impossible if you eat your food without tongue out. You can't do it because our tongue helps it. Our tongue helps to talk and to mix saliva with food and to find out the taste what you're eating. Like, let's try out. You can't. Your tongue will only be pressed with your teeth. Tongue contains taste buds that help to determine bitter, sour, sweet and salts. टंग कंटेन करता है टेस्ट बर्ड्स जो हमें हेल्प करते हैं कड़वापन चेक करने में, एकदम खट्टा चेक करने में, मीठा और नमकीन. ये देखिए, this is sour, salty, bitter and the sweet part. Wait a second. Here I'm writing here, so read the text. Hope you understand the text because I cannot say with tongue out. Our next topic is salivary glands. Salivary glands secrete a digestive juice called saliva. Saliva is a thuk. I will not show. Saliva contains an enzyme called amylase that breaks down starch into sugar. This is our salivary glands. This is the parotid gland, and this is submandibular gland and the sublingual gland. These are present in your jaws. Next topic is esophagus. Esophagus you learned in smaller classes also, the food pipe, but you all are older now and you will call it esophagus. It is hollow tube that connects mouth to the stomach. Here food is pushed downward by the contraction of the wall. Then this wall relaxes, the next part of the esophagus contracts. This creates a wave-like movement comparison. Just for example, this is esophagus and this is the food. The food will go like this down to the stomach. This is the role of the esophagus. Our next topic is stomach. It is a J-shaped structure. The stomach receives food from the esophagus, as I told you earlier, at one end and opens into small intestine at the other end. The gastric glands are present in the inner wall of juice, which secretes gastric juices. These juices contain enzymes that help to digest the food. Stomach also secretes mucus and hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria present in the food. Mucus protects the lining of stomach from hydrochloric acid. Hope you understand. Our next topic is small intestine. Small intestine, it is the longest part, about 7.5 meter long. It is really long, 7.5 meter long, and of the alimentary canal. It is also the site of complete digestion. Here carbohydrates completely break down into glucose, fats, into fatty acid and glycerol, and protein into amino acid. Two glands, liver and pancreas, secrete their juices in small intestine. Liver secretes bile, which gets storage in a sac-like structure called gallbladder. Bile helps to digest food. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juices that also helps in digestion. The inner wall of digestion intestine has millions of finger-like projections called villi. Sing villus. These villi increase the surface area so that maximum absorption of digested food takes place. This absorbed digested food reaches to blood. So I will show you the small intestine here. So this is the villi in small intestine. This thing is small intestine and these are circular folds, and this is the villi. Epithelial cells, capillaries, rectal, vein, artery. You can pause for taking a screenshot or taking a photo from your TV. The next topic is large intestine. The undigested food that remains in the small intestine passes into the large intestine. Here some amount of water is absorbed by the walls of large intestine. Remaining waste is passed to rectum and then expelled from the body through anus. The length of large intestine is 1.5 meters long. In human beings, digestion takes place outside the cells in the alimentary canal. This type of digestion is called extracellular digestion. We understand. Our next topic is nutrition in ruminants. This is our last and only topic, and then we will do recap. Plant cell consists of a complex carbohydrate called cellulose. Digestion of cellulose requires a special type of digestive system in which stomach is divided into four chambers. Rumen, reticulum, omasum and abasum. You must learn these four chambers name: rumen, reticulum, omasum and abasum. These will come up in the exams also. Digestive system in ruminant. I will show you a picture and observe it and see all the four chambers. As you can see, this one is the rumen, and this is the omasum like a balloon, and this small thing is reticulum, and this yellowy part is abasum. Here outside your house or a building, outside a house or building, you have seen cows or buffaloes chewing their mouth without even any food, like this. They're chewing their food. They have the food is gone inside the stomach. Wait a second. In grass eating animals, half chewed plant material reaches to the first chamber of the stomach. This one. To the first chamber, reticulum. Rumen. The food just comes up here and then slowly in the abasum and reticulum and abasum. In grass eating animals, half chewed plant material reaches to the first chamber of stomach called rumen, where bacteria act upon cellulose. The partially digested food enters in the second chamber. From here, partially digested food, which is back to the mouth, is called cud, is further chewed by the animal. The process is called rumination, and the animal that does it is called ruminant. Ruminant are those like cows, buffaloes, and these are. The ruminated food is swallowed again and reaches directly to the third chamber of stomach. Here ruminated food is broken down chamber, where enzymes convert the complex nutrients into simpler ones to complete the digestion. So our chapter is completed. I will give you, if you have any doubts from this video. Comment down below. Commenting is free and subscribing is also free. Just subscribe our channel. Let's recap. Proboscis. Proboscis is that you see in a butterfly a thing like coming like this. A tube-like mouthpart present in butterflies that helps in sucking of liquid food. That helps in sucking the liquid food. I will show you a picture. Here is the picture. Tentacle. A soft appendage present in Hydra that helps to procure the food. I told you earlier, here's the tentacle. Food vehicle. A vehicle present in unicellular organisms in which food becomes trapped and digested there. Food vehicles is the prey of the amoeba or the organisms. Pseudopodia. Finger-like projections that help in locomotion and capture of food in a food. Pseudopodia is a finger-like structure that helps in locomotion to move or to capture the food in amoeba.